Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about the closed loop controller. The diagram, the block diagram of the closed loop controller has been shown over here. I of S. It is our input signal and it will be provided to the non-inverting input of the differential amplifier. Secondly, we will calculate the error, that is E of S. Whatever the signal which will come over at our inverting input, so we will subtract that particular signal from I of S, so that will be considered our E of S. K, the K has been shown over here in a triangular shape, which is our gain. G of S, it is our plant which we will be controlling over here. Y of S is our output signal. B of S is our sensor, and whatever the signal which is going towards Y of S, that signal will also be going towards the B of S, because both are in parallel with each other. So the first part of the block diagram, which I have now shown over here with orange color, I have highlighted it with orange color, that is our differential amplifier, and the signal Y of S will be equal to E of S multiplied by K multiplied by G of S, and the same signal will also go towards B of S, which is our sensor. So I can say that Y of S is also equals to B of S, or in other words I will say that B of S is equals to Y of S. So Y of S will be subtracted from I of S, and then that will be considered our E of S, whereas K is the gain of the closed loop controller, which will be provided to the G of S, which is our plant. The second part is our gain. The third part of the block diagram is our G of S, and the fourth part is B of S. Now the purpose of today's video is to calculate the transfer function of the closed loop controller. E of S is equals to I of S minus B of S. As I told you before, that our error will be equal to input signal minus B of S, whereas B of S is equals to Y of S, which we have just discussed earlier. Our third equation will be Y of S, that is equals to E of S multiplied by K multiplied by G of S. By putting equation 2 in equation 1, we will get E of S is equals to I of S minus Y of S. Now instead of writing B of S, I am writing over here Y of S, because in equation 2, as you can see, that B of S is equals to Y of S. In equation 3, we have Y of S is equals to E of S multiplied by K multiplied by G of S. By putting equation 4 in equation 3, we will get y of s is equals to I of s minus y of s. Over here I can write down E of s as I of s minus y of s, because as I told you earlier that our error is equals to input signal minus output signal. Now this I of s will be multiplied with k and g of s. Similarly, minus y of s will also be multiplied with k and g of s. Y of s is equals to I of s multiplied by k multiplied by g of s minus y of s multiplied by k multiplied by g of s. Now as I can see that y of s multiplied by k multiplied by g of s is subtracting on the right hand side. So when I will move it towards the left hand side, so it will be added with y of s. So I will get y of s plus y of s multiplied by k multiplied by g of s is equals to I of s multiplied by k multiplied by g of s. So I can take y of s as common from the terms which have been mentioned on the left hand side, that are y of s plus y of s plus multiply by k into g of s. So I can see over here that y of s is common, so I will take it out, y of s. So I will get y of s multiplied by 1 plus k g of s is equals to I of s multiplied by k multiplied by g of s. So therefore the transfer function of closed loop controller will be equal to y of s divided by I of s, because I of s is multiplying with k and g of s on the right hand side. So when I will move I of s towards the left hand side, so it will be divided with the y of s. Similarly, 1 plus k into g of s, which is multiplying on the left side with y of s. So when I will move it towards the right hand side, so it will be divided by it will divide k into g of s. So I will get y of s upon I of s is equals to k into g of s divided by 1 plus k into g of s. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have liked my video, and you can share your thoughts in the comment box. Thank you.